Good evening, children. Today I am going to take class for you. Class 9, chapter that is India size and location. Now you can see the world map. So there are many countries are there. So in that you can see that yellow highlighted, that is India. So India is one of the seventh largest country among the country in the world according to the geographical area. Now coming to see that next map India map here given. Here that vertical lines are that is one is longitude, another lines that drawn which passes near UP that Mirzapur, that is Indian Standard Meridian. So that we are going to discuss now more detail now. Now you can see here India size and location. See, size and location. Location, if you want to study about any place or any country, so you must know about that latitude and longitude. With the help of latitude and longitude only, we can get that particular country or area that location. So here India size and location. See, what is the latitudinal longitudinal extension of India in terms of now you can see here. See latitude 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude, and longitude 68 degree 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. So this is the latitude and longitudinal extension of India. Next coming to the importance of Tropic of Cancer. So Tropic of Cancer which divide equally India into two half. So that line which passes horizontally from west to east, that line is called the Tropic of Cancer. It has 23 degree 30 minutes north. Then next coming to the important about islands. Now you can see that in Arabian Sea, in the north and the southwestern part of that India Arabian Sea comes under Lakshadweep Island, and you can see in the south eastern part of India comes under Bay of Bengal. In that you can find out Andaman Nicobar Island. Then size. Coming to size mean total geographical area of India. So India having 3.28 million square kilometer. It is one of the seventh largest country in the world. Then it possesses now 2.4% of the geographical area among the country in the world. So this is about. Now you can see with the help of this bar diagram, India is one of the seventh largest country among the country. See, one is that is here given clearly about Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia and India. So India is one of the seventh largest country among the countries in the world. So this is about it. Next coming to India seventh largest. Then India total geographical area comes under 15,200 kilometer, and total length of the that coastline of the mainland. So the including 7,500 16.6 kilometer, that is comes under coastal area. Then from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, you can find out there is a time log 2 hours. So when the time is 10 a.m. at Gujarat, what will be the time at Arunachal Pradesh? So 2 hours mean it will be 12 noon. So what will happen all the people may get confusion. So in order to avoid the confusion, we need in a standard meridian. So we the standard meridian which passes central part of India vertically at 82.5 degree east. So 82.5 degree east, it is the standard meridian of India. So the time will be equalized whether east or west. This time will be the same, because India extended longitudinally 68 degree to 97 degree. So nearly it is comes to nearly 29. So that we have to take nearest number 30. So 1 degree 4 minutes, 15 degree 1 hour, that means 30 degree 2 hours. Now the time confusion avoided with the help of standard meridian. So every country they are following the standard meridian. Then in India you can see that totally 29 states are there and 9 union territories are there. In India, you can see that na the smallest na the state na Goa, the largest na state na in India, that is na at present na Rajasthan. So this is the one of the main important here. Then next na coming to na that the Indian Ocean play a very important role in the south. So already I told you na that na and the India is known as na peninsular India. Peninsular mean it is na appear like a triangle. See the Tropic of Cancer divide in India, that below the Tropic of Cancer you can find out now that three sides are covered by water. One is na in the east na Bay of Bengal, in the west na Arabians, in the south na that is na Indian Ocean. In the north you can see that na vast na wide area, so which resemble like na triangle, so it is called peninsular India. So India having na the important strategic location in the south, because it is having na that Indian Ocean, so which na protect our country from na other na enemies, and also it is one of the main important na ocean route toward na Western European country as well as na East na Asian country. Then India is called a subcontinent. Now why na India is called a subcontinent? Continent India comes under Asia. Why na it is called a subcontinent? Okay, because in the north na that physically the Himalayan mountain which na separate India from na Asia, and it is neighboring with na northwest na Pakistan and Afghanistan. In the north na Nepal, Bhutan and China. In the east na that Myanmar and Bangladesh. In the south na to na the countries na island country, that is na Sri Lanka and Maldives. So that na India is called a subcontinent. India is called a subcontinent. I think now you understood. Already I prepared now that na PPT. Now you can able to answer the question. Thank you, children. Thank you.